Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13 Turbo, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's go to the three bars icon in the right upper corner, and the second bar is connected with the timer. We've got three options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just upon the specific option it will be immediately highlighted. Moreover, it is also shown inside the shutter button. So all we have to do is to simply tap on it, and now your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, of course, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright. Of course, you can also turn it off. Just go to the three bars icon again and mark off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.